Good day. I am Maribor R. Duguespan, 18 years old, applying for the position of a data encoder. I started registered posted at the Lipa City Public College campus. I'm a fresh graduate of Ladderite Education Program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, a 2-year course that was accredited by TESDA from the Lipa City Public College. I'm capable in computer application or troubleshooting. I can write any kind of business letter, and I have a good communication skills. I have my on-the-job training as personal computer operator in Expression Center for Learning or Excel at SMC Lipa from November 2007 to January 2008. I also enhanced my troubleshooting skills with the help of the management of PC Chain Superstore at Mataas na Lupa from August 2008 to January 2009. For my technical and social experience and with my education, I'm sure I will meet new qualifications because I'm a responsible lady and willing to work for long hours, even though I don't have real experiences, but I'm very willing to learn and to be trained by your good company. Just in case my application has convinced you of my ability to do work that you posted, you can reach me by my mobile number 0908-239-3407, or you can send me an email at duguesmanmaribor@yahoo.com. Thank you for your time and consideration. I'm looking forward to work on your good company. Thank you.